Hey everyone, my name is Angelique and you are now tuned into Smarter by Nature TV. Today I'm in my greenhouse and I want to show you the progress of our tomatoes and our Bok Choy. I'm really excited to show you. They look super great, so let's get into the video. So in this video, I just wanted to give an update about how our Shanghai Bok Choy was doing, as well as our tomatoes. They're doing really well. Shout out to Tilth for sending us their soil mix bag. It's doing amazing so far. No complaints here. So now that our plants have their true leaves growing, we've started to harden them off. We're going to continue to expose them to more sun and find them a nice place in our growing area. Here are our Shanghai tot soy. We planted these March 6th and it is now March 29th, so it's been a little over 3 weeks. We used the Tilth soil mix and so far the results are pretty great. We had really great germination this time. Even these seeds that are growing slower are still germinating. The leaves look really healthy. You can see that they're starting to produce their true leaves and their second set actually, so they're just about ready. I planted multiple seeds in one cell, and what I'm gonna do is just separate them instead of keeping one and killing the other. I'm gonna just separate them and give them their own space, and whoever survives, good luck to them. Here are our 3-week-old tomatoes. These are speckled Roman tomatoes and they're doing pretty well. Our tomatoes are looking lively. They're putting out their true leaves and we are starting to harden them off. These seeds overall had a good germination rate. There was a few that didn't quite pop up, but overall they look pretty healthy. I'm pretty happy with the Tilth soil mix. We had really great germination for the Shanghai Bok Choy and our tomatoes look great. They look healthy. They look like they're ready to go to the next step. And I'm so glad because now is the time. Spring is here. We're gonna continue to monitor our plants, and this is just a 3-week update. One thing I wanna address is in my first video when I showed putting the soil mix in the soil tray, I want to clarify and give an extra tip about how to get a better germination, and that is simply by pre-soaking your soil mix. Instead of just putting the dry soil mix into the tray, you want to mix the dry soil mix with the water so that it can have time to fully absorb. Sometimes when you add water on top of a soil mix that isn't pre-soaked, the moisture can stay on top, kind of like a pool, and it doesn't really get absorbed into the root zone. So what you want to do is make sure you pre-soak your soil mix. I wanted to pass that along and make sure that you all can get the best germination rate that you can. Strong seedlings make all the difference when you're growing in your backyard garden, at your farm, at your community garden. They are really key to a good season. You want to have strong seedlings because they'll be strong enough to fend against any pests, and they really have more vigorous growth when you pay attention to them and give them a nice good jump start. So this is the season, it's the springtime, and we encourage you to get your garden started. Again, my name is Angelique. Thank you for watching, and as always, thank you for being smarter by nature.